Good morning, ABM 12. Once again, I am Miss Rosalie F. Faryulan, your teacher in Business Math. Our topic for this week is a continuation of our topic from the first week: fundamental operations of fractions, decimals, and percentage. For our content standard, the learners demonstrate an understanding of fractions, decimals, and percentage. For the performance standards, the learners are able to perform operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division accurately. For our learning competencies, we have three. First is perform fundamental operations on fractions and decimals. Second, express fractions to decimals in percent form and vice versa. And the last one, illustrate how decimals and fractions can be written in terms of percent. This time, we're going to discuss about fraction, decimals, and percent. We are in the part of how to convert decimal to percent. In converting decimal to percent, we have the rule. It is to multiply the decimal by 100%. This is equivalent to moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and appending the percent sign. Examples. Let's begin with the number 1. We have 0.35 or 35 hundredths. How we are going to convert it to percent? Simply by multiplying the decimal by 100%. So 0.35 multiplied by 100. So the answer is 35%. Or if it seems too hard for you to multiply, just move the decimal point 2 places to the right and then write percent sign. Since we have 0.35, so if we are going to move 2 places to the right, so the decimal point will be here in the number 5. So remove the decimal point and change it by percent since you're going to convert decimal to percent. The same with example number 2, 0.175 or 175 thousandths. Again, multiply 0.175 by 100. The result will be 17.5 and then copy the percent sign. Or else, if you are not going to multiply, just move 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So the decimal point will be here between 7 and 5. And then don't forget to write the percent sign in the right side. Next is how to convert percent to decimal. We have also the rule. Divide the percent by 100%. This is equivalent to moving the decimal point 2 places to the left and dropping the percent sign rather. Example number 1, 75%. So divide 75 by 100. the answer will be 0.75, or else just move 2 decimal point to the left, starting from the percent sign. So 1, 2. The decimal point will be here in the left of the 7. Example number 2. 2.456%, or 2.456%. How to move it to decimal? Just divide it by 100. The answer will be 0.02456, or 2,456 hundredths thousandths. Same with the example number 3 and 4. The last is how to convert fraction to percent. Same with converting decimal to percent and converting percent to decimal. Here in converting fraction to percent, still we have the rules to follow. First is we are going to convert the fraction to decimal by applying the rule, and then convert the decimal to percent by applying the decimal rule. Example number 1, 5/10. The first rule is we are going to convert fraction to decimal. How? We are going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So what we're going to do is divide 5 by 10. So 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5, or 5 tenths. After you get its decimal form, this time you're going to convert it to percent. How? How to convert decimal to percent? Just multiply 0.5 by 100. So 0.5 times 100 is equal to 50, and then copy the percent sign. Or just move 2 decimal places to the right, starting from the decimal point. So 5, 0. So since there's no number after the 5 going to the right, just add 1 0. So the answer will be 50%. The same with example number 2 and 3. Same rule with the first example. We have here some sample problems. So perform the indicated operations and simplify. Express all answers in decimals, at most 6 decimal places. So number 1, 2.13 times 4.75 minus 50.9908 plus 0.626. Don't forget the rule of Pemdas, in which we're going to answer first parentheses, exponent, multiplication or division, and then followed by addition or subtraction. Since we have here parentheses, inside the parentheses, so let's start with 4.75 minus 50.9908. So it will be equal to 2.13 multiplied by negative 46.2408. Since 4.75 minus 50.9908 is equal to negative 46.2408, and then plus 0.626. After it is we're going to multiply 2.13 by negative 46.2408 plus, after we are going to multiply it, add the 0.626. So the answer will be negative 97.866,904. For the second example, 930.22 divided by 5.78 minus 6.11 raised to 3. So, first thing we're going to do is uh, simplify 6.11 raised to 3. So the answer will be negative 44,912,837. We have also problem solving involving fractions, decimals, and percent. Andrea was asked to go to the market to buy 3.5 kilos of pork, 1/4 kilo of garlic, and 12 pieces of saba. 1 kilo of pork cost 215 pesos. 1 kilo of garlic cost 105 pesos and 1 piece of saba cost 2.30 pesos. If Maria is given 1,000 pesos, will she be able to buy everything she was asked to buy? If yes, how much change is left, if any? So, of course, in solving a problem, we must have our step-by-step solution. Since she was asked to buy 3.5 kilos of pork, it was stated here that 1 kilo cost 215. So, what we're going to do for pork, we have 3.5 kilo times 215 since each kilo cost 215. So 3.5 or 3.5 times 215 is equal to 752.50. For garlic, she was asked to buy only 1/4 kilo, but then the stated here is every kilo cost 105. So therefore, 1/4 is equal to 0.25 multiplied by 105. So 1/4 kilo cost 26.25 pesos. For saba, she was asked to buy 12 pieces. Each piece cost 2.30. So just multiply 12 by 2.30. So the answer will be 76.60. So we are going to total the amount for pork, garlic, and saba. So it cost 806.35. So in the last part of the problem, it was asked if she will be able to buy everything she was asked to buy by the 1,000 pesos given to her. The answer is yes, cause the total amount is only 806.35. So her change is 193.65 pesos. So in your module, you have your activity 2. Answer it on a clean sheet of paper or bond paper and then attach it to the envelope to be submitted. Or if you are willing to, if you're having a good internet connection, you are free to visit our website www.gaitf e-learning. You can just enter your username and your password, and you can already see our website, or you can visit our website. Thank you for listening and God bless.